Hi, welcome back to this new video of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will talk about how to create a new Excel file, how to write some data in Excel file, how to save Excel file and how to close Excel file. So let's start this video. On the bottom left side, click on Start button and it will show you all the applications you have installed in your computer. From this menu, find Microsoft Excel. I have installed Microsoft Excel version 2016. Click on it and your Microsoft Excel file is open. You can type some data in this Excel file like how to create a new Excel file, how to write some data in Excel file, how to save Excel file, and how to close Excel file. After that, you can see on the top center highlighted area Book 1 is written. This is the default name of the Excel file. So I have to save this Excel file for future use. Click on File option. It will show you a drop-down list of options. Click on Save button. It will further take you to sub-options. Find Browse option, then click on it. It will ask you to select the place where you want to save your Excel file. I want to save my Excel file to the desktop and write the name of your Excel file. I want to save this file with the name as Introduction to Microsoft Excel. And click on Save button. Now your Excel file is saved. You can see here the name of the Excel file has been changed with the name Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Now if you want to close Excel file, there are different methods to close Excel file. First, just click on the cross button placed on the top right corner and your file will be closed. Second, click on the File option and then click on Close option and your file is closed. Third option is to press a shortcut key Alt plus F4 from your keyboard and your file is closed. Last and final step is to click one by one Alt button, then click F button and then click X button from your keyboard and your file is closed.